Top 5 Best 100% free AI tools to create unlimited AI videos. These tools can seriously change your content creation game and even your life. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI websites that are completely free, how you can use them to create unlimited AI videos, and which 3 out of 5 tools are the absolute best for daily use plus, how to use them smartly and for free, step by step. So, if you're ready to create HD AI videos for free and take your content to the next level, let's get started. But before we begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support more free AI tutorials. Number 5, AIToolMeta.ai is a very good tool. You can generate both images and videos with it. It is known for both image and video generation. It is also available on WhatsApp. The benefit is that you can use it easily on your mobile and WhatsApp. It's a very simple and user-friendly tool. With this tool, you can generate AI videos and AI images for free, and if you want, you can even create stories with it. Number 4, AI tool Haluai.video is a very good tool. When you use it for the first time, it gives you 1,100 credits, which you can use to create 30 to 32 videos in unlimited days. Later, it gives you 100 daily credits, which allow you to make around 3 videos per day. Haluai.video is an excellent tool. If you use it, you can create very good and realistic style videos, and that too very easily. Haluai.video is widely used all over the world. Number 3. Toolpixverse.ai is also a very good tool. It creates stunning videos in high quality, which is great for you. On your first login, it gives you 90 credits, which allows you to easily and quickly create 4 videos. Later, it gives you 60 credits with which you can make 3 videos using 1 Gmail account, and how you can use all these tools together. I will explain that next. Number 2. Toolseart.ai is a very good tool where you can create AI videos from images. It gives you 130 credits, which allow you to make 4 to 5 videos easily. The video quality is also good, which will be very beneficial for you. Seart AI tool is good. Please use it, it will be useful for you. Number 1, AI tool. The tool is called Digen.ai. It's an excellent tool. When you log in with your Gmail, it gives you 300 credits with which you can create 10 videos. All the videos created by this tool are in HD and high quality. After that, it also gives you daily credits. Digen.ai is a perfect tool for video creation. And how you can use all of these tools together, I will also explain that to you. Top 3 Best free AI video tools you must try. Today, I'm sharing 3 of the best AI video websites that give you high quality videos with free credits. These tools are 1 Haluai.video 2, Pixverse.ai, 3 Digen.ai. All 3 tools offer generous free credits, and the best part is, you can use them daily by signing in with different Gmail accounts and using different browsers. This way, you can easily create AI videos that are 3 to 4 minutes long every day, all in HD quality for free. Pro tip: because these tools give daily credits, you can make videos consistently. Perfect for your YouTube channel, social media, or storytelling projects. Bonus tip for AI video creation. If you open these 3 websites, Haluai.video, Pixverse.ai, and Digen.ai, in 3 different browsers and log in with different Gmail accounts, you can create multiple full videos every day, absolutely free. Since each site gives daily free credits, this method lets you produce high-quality AI videos daily without spending anything. So remember, use 3 different websites on 3 different browsers with 3 different Gmail accounts. And start creating full-length AI videos every day, for free. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you found this helpful, and subscribe to the channel. Because next time, I'm bringing another amazing free AI tool just for you. Thanks for watching.